Most of Louisiana property owners are killed by this insurance industry right now. They're leaving the state. Insurance deductibles are up, so we're looking to help save roofs. Now, 20 years ago, if you lost your roof in a hurricane, you got pretty much a free roof. Today, with the deductibles at 3, 4, 5, up to 7%, the next hurricane that comes through, you're paying for it. If we can strengthen these shingles, rehydrate them, make them strong for the storms coming in, it's better for them, it's better for the environment. It's a win-win for everyone.